It's so windy! It's too windy to fly in these conditions!
You're telling me, Drake, I can hardly keep myself from getting blown away.
Oh! Fiona! Fiona! Oh! Wow! Fiona! All right. So what do you want to do, Tinky Winky?
Pardon?
I said, what do you want to do, Tinky Winky?
I can't hear you, Dipsy. The wind is too strong.
I said, what do you want to do, Tinky Winky?
Dipsy, you don't have to shout.
What? Hey, the wind just stopped.
Oh, so it has.
How did that happen? I mean, the wind was just so strong and all of a sudden it just stops?
Well, I guess now we can... Whoa! Whoa!
What? The wind started up again? What is going on? That doesn't usually happen.
Oh, what is going on? How'd the wind just start up again?
I don't know. And it just stopped again.
Something funny is going on.
Yeah, I mean, the wind does come and go, but not like this. Oh, it's back. It's back again. No! The wind blew my hat away again!
There has to be some explanation to this.
No! Got it! Oh boy, this is some weird windy weather we're having.
Yeah, indeed, Dipsy.
All right, White Dog, are you ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready, Lala.
All right, catch! Oh, bibbly cheese!
Ugh, this wind is no fun. We can't even have a good old-fashioned game of catch.
What is up with this silly wind today?
I have no idea, Lala. It just keeps coming and going. It's weird.
I know.
Hey, Lala, White Dog, what's going on?
Well, we're trying to play catch, but the wind keeps on blowing my ball away.
Yeah, it's so windy today.
I know. And what's even more strange is that it just keeps turning on and off. It feels like something is controlling the wind.
Yeah, maybe, Dipsy.
Oh, hey guys, you will not believe what just happened. It's so windy today that it blew my scooter away.
Wait, what?
Oh, come on, Poe, that's crazy talk. But it's true, Dipsy. The wind blew my scooter up in the air. Poe, your scooter's made of metal. There's no way the wind blew it away. Well, I'll be darned. Told ya.
Was that a chair?
Hey, that's an umbrella! And is that a taco? Why is there a taco blowing in the wind?
That taco is mine!
Oh, well that explains it.
What? Huh? Hey, there's... Oh! Squirry!
Oh boy, what a ride! Are you alright, Squirry? Yeah, I'm fine. Oh boy! It's so windy today! The wind is so strong that I went flying! Hey, you're not the only one who's flying, Squirry. Fiona's flying too. Oh, Fiona always flies. Well, not like that. Fiona! Fiona! Got you!
Oh, thank you for catching me, Poe. I was really getting dizzy.
Oh, you're welcome, Fiona. Fiona, are you all right?
Oh yes, I'm okay. But the wind is acting very strange today.
Yeah, I know. It just keeps turning on and off. Yeah, it feels like the wind is being controlled by something. Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Since the weather forecast didn't say anything about strong winds today, it might be something making all this wind. Come on, let's go investigate.
Yeah! Oh yeah, I want to join in too.
Well, I can't really fly in these windy conditions. The wind might blow me away again. So I think I'll go home where it's less windy.
Okay, Fiona.
See you later.
All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Fiona. Fly home safe. All right, everyone. We gotta find out what's making all this wind. Come on. Yeah, let's go. is getting stronger.
That means we're getting closer.
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. I wonder what's making all this wind. I don't know.
Oh, it's strange, and it stopped again. Wait a minute. What's that over there?
Hey, it's Duckster.
Duckster!
Hey, Duckster!
Huh? Oh, hey there! Hang on, let me turn this off. Huh?
So that's what's causing it to be so windy.
What is that, Duckster?
Only my latest invention, the Windy Breezer 3000. It may look like a regular fan, but I made a few tweaks on it to make it produce a lot of strong winds. So whenever you want to fly a kite or want to get cooled off, use the Windy Breezer 3000.
Wow! So now we know what's making all this strong wind. Yeah, it wasn't a windy day today.
But, Duckster, why did you keep turning it on and off?
Well, it was having a bit of a malfunction and I was trying to fix it, but it works now. It works perfectly. Let me demonstrate.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Oh no! Duckster!
No, Duckster, don't turn it off! Duckster! Oh, quackers. Ugh. Whoops. Sorry. I probably should have made an option to make it less windy for this thing. Oh well.
Oh,
Oh, Duckster.